Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is a June 2020 43 variant. Question number one. Topic is a linear momentum. So let's start a question. Particles P, mass m kilograms. So I will write particle mass of P kilogram is m. And the Q mass is 0.2. So mass of Q particle is 0.2 kg. kg, if you write or don't write, no problem, but good to write. Okay, smooth horizontal plane, it means friction is not there. P is projected speed of 2 towards Q, which is stationary. It means I will make this diagram, and this diagram is very, very important. This is a one particle, okay, and second particle as I'm drawing here. All right. And the situation is this, that this is a P particle, this is a Q particle. According to situation, he said that P is projected with a speed of 2 towards Q. So P is going there, right hand side. And his speed is what? 2. Okay. And this is stationary. So Q speed is 0. So it is speed is 0. So it's not moving anywhere. Okay. This is a before collision. Okay, what is after collision? I'm writing the word before collision. This is before collision. And after collision is here. Okay. And what is after collision? If I copy this both particle diagram and paste here. Okay. Now see what happens after collision. He is saying after collision, P move in a opposite direction. With a speed of 0.5 and 1. Common sense with P will hit the Q, Q will not come this direction, 100%. Q will naturally, if it hit, it has only one choice to move, that is right side. So Q will move right hand side. Okay, I erase the speeds now. Okay. And Q will move naturally opposite directions. P collision move the both particle opposite directions, he mentioned clearly, and 0.5 and 1. So 0.5 he talked for P, so 0.5. So if Q is moving right hand side, okay, so 100% P will go backwards. Okay, how I know? Wait a minute. This speed I call as a U1. This as a P as a U2. This I count as a V1. This is a count as a V2. And for your knowledge, 0.5, I will write extra sign here, negative. You're surprised to know why I put negative sign. You know, in a whole chapter of linear momentum, you know it very well. For example, this is observer's eye. When particle is going away from observer, okay, its speed always count as a positive. And when a particle coming back to observer, the speed or velocity will take always negative. So observer's eye is here. I show you. So this observer's eye is here. So if observer's eye is here, so what will happen? So because this particle is coming back to observer, so we will put negative sign. So that is the reason I kept negative sign. This is the most important point. And further is nothing hard left behind. And mass, best idea, write data. So this is a mass M, this mass 0.2, this mass M, this mass M2, 0.2. So you know formula, what law of conservation of momentum, M1 U1 plus M2 U2 must equals to M1 V1 plus M2 V2. So M1 V1 means product of these two numbers. So I got a 2M. M2 V2 is product of these numbers. I got a 0. M1 V1 is this into that. I get M times 2 negative 0.5. and this into that, I get 0.2 into 1. So this I got 2m, here I got negative 0.5 m and plus 0.2. If I bring on this side, it will add 2.5 m. And now it will divide, so mass becomes 0.2 to 2.5, giving us 0.08 kilograms. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, I believe the point is very, very clear and question is completely over.